Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be the YouTube channel for my website www.streetnetngl.com, and here we'll be showcasing some DIYs, how you can do it yourself, how you can do it your way with me and Olua. And basically we'll be talking about food making. Everyone loves food. I love food. So yes, please like my videos, kindly share my videos, please subscribe so that as soon as I drop more videos you'll be getting notifications immediately. And yes, today we'll be making Oha soup, a traditional soup. Please watch the video to the end. Thank you. Alright, so let's see what we would need for soup. We need the stockfish, we need the crayfish. For this soup I'll be using two types, and here is the second type of the crayfish I will be using. We also have the smoked fish. We need this for our soup also. Alright, we have the cow leg. It's also called the bokoto. So we need the bokoto for this soup, and it's going to be delicious. Here is the flavor called ogiri. It's used by the Igbo tribe in Nigeria for this soup. We have the pepper, we have the cocoyam. The cocoyam is going to serve as a thickener for this soup actually. Alright, here is the oha leaves. This leaf is actually why the soup is called oha. Alright, so this is the leaf, and when you get a fresh one it makes the soup look so yummy. We have the uziza leaf as well. We'll need this to supplement our oha leaves. Alright, so here is palm oil needed for our soup. Okay, let's get cooking. We have the cow leg washed and placed in the pot. I added the spice, the salt, and then the onions, and of course the water. I actually spent about 40 minutes in boiling this meat in order to make it so soft and good for eating. So at this point the cow leg is soft already, so I needed to add all the fishes and all that. So I already washed all we're going to be using for this, and here I deboned the smoked fish as well, and I added it to our cow leg. We're going to wait for some minutes for this also to get boiled with the cow leg all together to get boiled. Okay, I'm adding the pepper now. I'm adding a pepper. You can actually blend the pepper if you want. I only diced mine. So we've added the pepper to our mixture of the cow leg and all the fishes. And also we have the palm oil. I'm putting the palm oil now so that the soup will get cooked. Okay. Alright, this is the ogiri. It smells, although it has this flavor it gives, so you can do without it or you can use it if you really want. I would advise you use it because it brings the difference. We have everything all mixed, and I'm just going to turn it a little. Alright, so this is what we have when all has been cooked. So now I'm adding the cocoyam already. Okay, behind the scenes I cooked the cocoyam. I cooked it. I actually washed it without peeling it off. I washed it, and after washing it I placed a pot on the fire. I put some water, then I added the cocoyam without peeling it. I only washed the dirt off it. So when I placed it, I let it get boiled, just like you boiling yam, just that I didn't peel this one. I let it get boiled for about 20 minutes, and then I peeled it and I blended it, the cocoyam. So that was how I got the cocoyam mix, and I already put it in this soup, and then I'm mixing everything all up. When it's at this stage, I know my oil soup is almost ready. So that's the stage we have now. Alright, so when the cocoyam was actually placed in the pot, I left it for some minutes and everything got cooked. And here I'm adding our uziza leaves first. Okay? So after adding it for some minutes, after adding the uziza leaves, I had to shred our oha leaves also into the pot, and I actually mixed it all up. Once you pass the stage, you only need to leave it for some moment, and this is what we have. Wow, it looks so rich and it's yummy. Yes, it is. You can actually take this with some gari or zamovita. I would urge you to please try this soup. You would enjoy.
Molly, when did you get back from Beijing? I gotta know. Ooh, Molly, are you stuck in nostalgia?